जय माता दी। नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल पे एडवेंचर विद शशि। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो you how to make a international style CV. This is really very important to all of us, and we are all of struggling from this. Then we guys have a lot of question after studying how to make a CV. This is really very important, and some of guys also paying a lot of money to make this kind of CVs. So today I'll show you how to make a international style CV totally free of cost, and this will like really a good stuff for all of you. Now let's come on to my PC screen, then I'll show you next what to do. This is really easy. Come on.
All right, so I'm just starting with open my browser. I open my Google Chrome here, and on Google tab just enter here career NZ, hit enter. You can see the first link here, careers.govt.nz, and open this. First of all, you have to sign up here. For that, you hit here sign in, and you can see here sign up now. Hit here on sign up and then fill the things here. Let's say first name Jagdish, and then last name is like I put here Kumar, and then email address, so I have already here. Then choose a password. You have to fulfill while you choosing your password, you have to fulfill all of these conditions. So I choose my one. So here I can see like all the things are right. So now hit here I'm not robot, then this I accept the terms and condition, then hit here create account. When you hit here create account, you will get a email. I already created, so I already have an email, so I'm going directly over there. So I open my Gmail. So like here I got this email, careers New Zealand. So I open this email. I can see here activate your account, so hit here and you will directly go on the main website. From here you will again like do a sign in here if says. So just enter your details here, whatever you choose before. I put here my email and then password. And hit here and sign in. So it will take a moment. Yep. So now I already signed in here on a main website. You can see over here my on my tools CV builder. So hit here get started and go on a bottom. You can see here start, press start, and then here say let's go. Again let's go. So he's asking what name you needed over your CV. So it's say it's already I put while I created my account, so I am proceeding with this same. If you want to change, so you can, or you can see here tip what you have to like choose over here. So he's saying everything for you. So say here continue, and then you can choose your address here, your home address, whatever do you have. So let's say I started from mine, so I put here like my village name and whatever in next. So here the whatever you want to choose, you can choose. So my country India, so capital, then my email, my phone number, and then my home phone number if you want. If you don't have, so you just proceed with the only one number. So continue. Now would you like to add a link? If you have any link of your website, you can add here. From here, add a website. I don't have, so I just skipping over here. Then you will next window is asking you. Next you can add your driving license. I'm also skipping this one. From the education, it is really important for everyone. Maybe I have to fulfill this. So just say here your school name. I'm putting my one. So city here Hamidpur, and my country India, and then level. Let's say I'm going here to put a 12th level. So for 12th level is here in New Zealand, it's a level 3. So I put here level 3 and say currently studying. I already completed in a year, so it's 2009. So continue. Now it will say you how do you add tertiary qualification. Tertiary means like your bachelor degrees, whatever you have, you will add over here the details. You will add your institute and your city, country, years, what years, and if you have finished, put over here. After that you put the name of your subjects as well here, and then you can say continue here. Or if you don't have, you just skip here. It will go through your next window. It's going on a same, and in the end you will get a window that will says you so all of completed, and you will download now your CV in any form like a PDF or Word, so you can do easily whatever it will say you in next window. You can just put you have only easy things. It will ask you everything. If you need any help, just hit here tip and it will show you here everything. Alright guys, I lost my Wi-Fi, so I have to log in again. So I'm hitting again my login credentials. It will take a short moment. So this is a thing like I just wanted to show you whatever you did before. This will not this website will not lost your data. So says Kia ora means welcome, the Jagdish, and then you will go on your again the same section here, CV builder, your profile. This will show you whatever you did before. You can download from here your CV. If you want to add it, then here again section edit my CV. Whatever you left, you can edit over here. You can do this at any time. So I'll show you my CV. My original CV, whatever I made over here. So this is my main CV. So I already made on a same website. you can see here everything looking professional, and it's an international standard. So I hope guys this will help you a lot. Just do this if you want. If you don't want, yeah, let it be. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will save some of money of yours, and bye bye, take care, Jai Hind, see you in next video.